Hello everyone, welcome back to RS Computer Solutions. Rufus 4.15 has just been released, and it fixes one of the biggest issues from the previous version, Windows installations freezing at 75% during silent setup. Let's take a quick look at what's new and how to create a bootable Windows 11 USB with Rufus 4.15. The biggest improvement is a fix for silent Windows installations that were getting stuck at 75% in Rufus 4.14. Rufus 4.15 also includes improved safety warnings for silent installation, better cancellation during USB write retries, bug fixes and stability improvements. These updates make Windows deployment more reliable and user-friendly. To get started, download Rufus 4.15 from the official website. Connect an 8GB or larger USB drive and open Rufus. Select your USB drive, then click Select and choose your Windows 11 ISO. For modern systems, keep the partition scheme set to GPT. Click Start. The Windows User Experience dialog will appear, where you can enable options such as remove Windows 11 hardware requirements, create a local account, skip Microsoft account setup, enable silent installation. One of the most important changes in Rufus 4.15 is the new silent installation warning screen. Instead of a simple yes or no prompt, Rufus now requires users to acknowledge multiple safety warnings before continuing. This helps prevent accidental data loss and ensures users understand exactly what silent installation does. Overall, Rufus 4.15 is a highly recommended update, especially if you've experienced installation issues with version 4.14. The 75% installation bug has been fixed, safety checks have improved, and Windows deployment is now more reliable than ever. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to RS Computer Solutions for more Windows tips, tricks, and software updates. Thanks for watching.